Hello, dear kids. Namaskar. How are you, everyone? I hope you all are fine and good at your home. What we did yesterday? Yesterday, we have done the revision of chapter number 8. Yes or no? So, today in this video, we are going to revise chapter number 9. Alright? So, before we start our class, everyone join your hands, close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य
भर्गो देवस्य
धीमहि धियो यो नः
धियो यो नः
प्रचोदयात्
प्रचोदयात्।
ॐ
So let's start our class. Let's revise chapter number 9, Organs and Organ System. So dear kids, we have different types of organs in our body. Yes, and there are some systems which is made up of organs and we called it organ system. Right? So organ कैसे बनता है? All living things, they are made up of cells, right? And the cells are basic building blocks of our body. From the cells, tissue are made. From the tissue, organs are made. And from the organs, organ systems are made. And organ system से क्या बन जाता है? One organism, right? And human being is an example of organism, right? Because human being में बहुत सारी organ system present है. So which organ systems are present in human body? Can you give me the names? Yes, come on everyone. Respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, yes, excretory system, reproductive system. Yes or no? These are some organ systems which is present in our body, right? Respiratory system क्या करता है? Help us to breathe, right? You are right everyone. Then about skeletal system. Skeletal system क्या करते हैं? हमारे बॉडी में जितने भी बोन्स हैं, right? It gives support to the body and they protect the internal parts of our body. And there are total 206 bones. कितनी bones है total? 206. Next is about muscular system. Right, muscular system में क्या होता है? It consists of muscles. Yes, and there are more than 600 muscles in our body. Yes, and muscles are attached to the bones. And they all are responsible for the movement of our body. Yes, dear kids. So, about respiratory system we learn, skeletal system, muscular system, and the next is digestive system. क्या करती है digestive system? Help in the breaking of food, right? And it consists of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus, right? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम क्या करता है, जो भी हमने फूड खाया उसको ब्रेक डाउन करता है स्मॉल पीसेस में एंड उस फूड से एनर्जी हमें हमारी पूरी बॉडी तक देता है. यस, and digestion starts in our mouth. From the mouth, the food we eat is broken down and chewed into small pieces. Then the food is passed in the food pipe. From the food pipe, the food will reach to stomach. In the stomach, the food will break down into simpler substances. राइट फिर स्टमक से कहा जाएगा, द फूड विल पास इनटू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, राइट, एंड वहां पे अगेन द फूड विल ब्रेक डाउन. यस, द फूड, द यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स विल गेट ऑब्जर्व एंड जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होगा, राइट, वो रिमूव किया जाएगा. सी, यूजफुल सब्सटेंस को ऑब्जर्व किया जाएगा, बट जो अनऑब्जर्व कंपोनेंट्स है, राइट, वो पास किया जाएगा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में. यस, एंड जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी थ्रू दी एनस. देन द नेक्स्ट सिस्टम इज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, राइट. अब जो भी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ने फूड, जो भी यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स थे उसको ऑब्जर्व किया, यस, बट उसको डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी में अब वो कंपोनेंट्स को कौन पहुंचाएगा, ब्लड विल कैरी दैट पार्ट, राइट. ब्लड विल कैरी द यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड एंड ऑक्सीजन, वाटर टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी विद द हेल्प ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, राइट. अब किसकी हेल्प लेता है ब्लड, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम की. लाइक अब इसमें कौन से ऑर्गन्स हैं, हार्ट एंड ब्लड वेसल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम क्या करता है, इट रिमूव वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी लाइक स्वेट, यूरिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम which help us to reproduce the babies, right, to have the babies. Then the next is nervous system. Now ये सारे systems को कौन control करता है, nervous system में, right. Nervous system controls everything we do. And which organs are present, like brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, so this is the revision of chapter number 9. So now everyone come on page number 4 in your revision sheet. Question number 1, choose the correct option. Number first, which of the following is made up of different tissue? Now from different tissue क्या बनता है, टिश्यू से क्या बनता है डियर किड्स. सी, फ्रॉम द सेल टिश्यूज आर मेड एंड फ्रॉम द टिश्यू ऑर्गन्स आर मेड. यस, यू आर ऑल राइट. सो टिक मार्क ऑप्शन बी. सेकेंड वन, विच ऑफ दिस ऑर्गन ऑब्जर्व व्हाट इज नीडेड फ्रॉम द फूड. कौन ऑब्जर्व करता है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. यस, so that's why option B is the correct answer. Number third, which of the following organ is not a part of the circulatory system? Right, circulatory system का part नहीं है, वो हमें यहाँ पे टिक करना है. So brain, because brain is the part of nervous system. So that's why the correct answer is B. Now come to question number 2, filling the blanks. Number first, dash are the smallest part of our body. सबसे smallest part हमारे body में क्या है dear kids? Yes, cells, right? So tick mark cells and write their cells. Second one, the dash in our body make up the skeletal system. हमारे बॉडी में स्केलेटल सिस्टम कौन बनाता है डियर किड्स? बोन्स, राइट. सो राइट देयर बोन्स. थर्ड वन, द एयर वी ब्रीथ इन इज कॉल्ड द डैश एयर. जो एयर हम ब्रीथ करते हैं, राइट, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इनहेल एयर. सो राइट देयर इनहेल. Now come to question number 3. Match the following. Number first, organ. So organs are made up of different tissue. Yes, और दूसरा कोई आपको लग रहा है इसमें से? No. So that's why first answer is B. Second one, bones. So there are total 206 bones in our body. So write there option A. Third one, muscles. So how many muscles are there in our body? More than 600. So that's why third answer is E. Fourth one, lungs. So lungs helps in our respiratory system. उसका part है, उसका organ है. So that's why fourth answer is C. Number 5th, brain. Brain and nerves are the organs of nervous system. Yes, so that's why fifth answer is D. Write down everyone. Completed dear kids? So come on page number 5. Everyone is on page number 5. Question number 4, write true or false. Number first, a group of organs together form an organ system. True or false? See, organs सारे group of organs बनके एक organ system बनती है. Yes, so this is the right statement. So I have written true. Second one, the organs in an organ system work together to perform an action. Yes, this is also right. जितने भी organ system में organs हैं, they work together to perform an action. Third one, we take in food through our nose. क्या हम nose से खाना खाते हैं? No, false. Come to question number 5. Circle the odd one out. Number first, ear, nose, heart, skin. So, see, इसमें क्या logic है? Ear, nose and skin. These are the part of sense organ. Yes, and जो heart है, that is the part of circulatory system. So that's why circle heart. Second one, small intestine, kidneys, stomach, saliva. So circle the odd one out is kidney because small intestine, stomach and saliva. These three are part of digestive system, right? Third one, blood, heart and blood vessel, mouth. See, here what will come? Mouth, because mouth is a part of digestive system, right? And blood, heart and blood vessels are the part of circulatory system. Number 4, kidney, urine, brain and sweat. So what will come? Brain, because kidney, urine and sweat are the part of excretory system. Completed everyone this much? So now come on question number 6. Logical question answer. First one, if there were no muscles, would we be able to move our body with the help of bones only? अगर मसल्स नहीं होते हमारे बॉडी में, सिर्फ बोन्स होते हैं, तो क्या हम अपने बॉडी को मूव कर सकते डियर किड्स? नो. सी, बिकॉज बोथ आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मूवमेंट. अगर बोन्स है, मसल्स नहीं है, तो हमारी बॉडी मूव नहीं होगी. अगर मसल्स है, बोन नहीं है, तो भी हमारी बॉडी मूव नहीं होगी. राइट? So that's why both are responsible. So the answer is no. Muscles and bones both are responsible for movement of our body. Understood? Second one, why is it not a good idea to fill your stomach to its maximum capacity? क्यों ये अच्छी बात नहीं है हम अपना स्टमक को हद से ज्यादा भर ले, खा ले हद से ज्यादा? बिकॉज सी, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू अवर बॉडी फॉर डाइजेस्ट द फूड, राइट? एंड अगर फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा तो क्या हम कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे? नो, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई it is not a good idea to fill our stomach to its maximum capacity, as it will get difficult to digest the food and make us feel comfortable. Now come to question number 7. Question number 6 and question number 7 is your homework. Okay, I will just explain you the question number 7. First one, in normal condition, the heart beats about 72 times per minute. हमारी हार्ट बीट 72 बार होती है in 1 minute. So find out how many times it will beat in 1 hour and in 1 day. Okay? Second one, Rita tiffin has noodles and chips, whereas Pia has brought idli and a brown bread sandwich. Which of the two is good for our health? Yes, you have to tick and you have to give the answer by your own. Question number 6 and question number 7 is your homework. So now come to page number 6. Third one, make a model of the respiratory system using cardboard and chart paper. You have to make the model of respiratory system. Yes, cardboard से and chart paper से आपको ये बनाना है and you have to share the pictures with me. Okay? I hope you will enjoy doing this. Come to next question. Skill assessed. Digestive system of carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous differ from each other. Yes, क्या वो different होंगी एक दूसरे से? Yes, it will be differ. The major difference is the difference in the length of intestine. Yes, सबसे ज्यादा डिफरेंस किस में आता है? उसके इंटेस्टाइन के लेंथ में आता है, बिकॉज इंटेस्टाइन ही एक ऐसा है जहां पे हमारा फूड ऑब्जर्व होता है. यस, सो कार्निवरस हैव द शॉर्टेस्ट इंटेस्टाइन, whereas herbivorous have the longest intestine. The length of intestine of omnivorous is in the between of the intestine of carnivorous and herbivorous. Okay? So identify the picture below and label them correctly. Let's observe all the intestine first of all, A, B and C. अब कार्निवरस का सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट इंटेस्टाइन है, तो फ्रॉम ए बी एंड सी किसका सबसे स्मॉल शॉर्टेस्ट है? सी, सॉरी ऑप्शन ए, राइट. सो क्या मैं कह सकती हूं कि कार्निवरस का इंटेस्टाइन ए वाला है एंड हार्बीवरस हैव द लॉन्गेस्ट इंटेस्टाइन. तो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कौन सा है? सी वाला. एंड ओमनीवरस का इन द मिडल बोला है. सो इन दोनों में मीडियम साइज का तो बी है. सो हार्बीवरस का कौन सा है? C1, कार्निवरस का A1 एंड ओमनीवरस का B1. Now second one, where does digestion begin? Digestion कहां पे begin होता है? In the mouth, right? So write there mouth. Third one, why do herbivorous have broader teeth than carnivorous? क्यों herbivorous के एकदम broad teeth होते हैं as compared to carnivorous? See, because herbivores are plant-eating animals, so that's why they have to chew more. Yes, and most of जितने भी herbivores हैं, they are curd chewing animal. So that's why उनको पूरे दिन chewing करना होता है. That's why they have a broader teeth than the carnivores. So option B is the correct answer because plant food needs more chewing as compared to the animal food. Completed this question. So now come to page number 7. Let's observe. Label the parts of digestive system. You have to label the parts of digestive system. So everyone start labeling. The number first is mouth. The food will enter in the mouth. Then it will pass in the food pipe. Then in the stomach. After that intestines. Write there S, intestines. Okay. And the last is anus. Completed this. So here we have completed the revision of chapter number 9, organs and organ system. I hope you all have understood it. Tomorrow we will do the next chapter, chapter number 10. Okay. So bye everyone. Take care. Namaskar.